Hey y'all, I've got a fun project for you. I'm using one of Barry's cutouts, this little stretch bunny. If you want the supply list, just comment bunny and I'll send it over to you in the messenger. And y'all, I painted him white. And now for this little crate of carrots that I got at the Target dollar spot, I'm going to add the word Carrot Farms. And look how that just made that look so stinking cute. I mean, it looks like a carrot farm, right? Okay, after I put 2 coats of white on each side of the bunny, I sanded it and waxed it because I'm going to add some polka dots. Y'all, I love polka dots and stripes, and I think y'all do too. And this is super, super easy. So I pressed down the screen really well, and I'm using some orange chalk paste. Y'all, this is so easy. Anybody can do it. Even my grandson, even Barry. But look at how cute it is. I just love it. And it's simple and sweet. And I am going to dry it really well. And then I'm going to use this dowel, stick it down in this styrofoam. And then I'm going to hot glue the bunny to the top. So I'm just adding the glue. I'm going to hold it in place. And then to make sure that it's secure, I'm going to flip it over and add some glue on each side. And y'all, like I said, if you want the supply list, just comment bunny and I'll send you a message. And this is so easy. And you could really use anything like a plant or, a box of styrofoam and flowers. And just put this little bunny anywhere. So I am using this fun ribbon. I'm going to keep it simple. I'm just going to use these 2 pieces. And then I'm going to wrap some raffia around my hand, bunch it up in the middle, and then tie it all together. Y'all, like I said, this is a stinking easy bow. And it's fun and whimsical. So I'm just wrapping this around, and look, as many times as you want, make it as thick and fluffy. And then I'm going to cut this, and y'all, I kind of twist it in the middle, and that kind of holds it in place while I tie everything together. And I'm just using another piece of raffia, wrapping it around and tying it in a knot. And you could make this out of any color raffia, any color ribbon that you have. You can add more ribbon, more raffia, whatever you like. But I thought this was the perfect amount for this project. Now I'm going to add some hot glue and stick it right here in, kind of towards the top in the middle. And y'all, I love how it turned out. And Barry and Locke love it too. Y'all, comment bunny. Let me send you the message with all the supplies. I just love it. It looks so impressive. All right, guys. Thanks for watching and thanks for sharing. And I'll see y'all later. Let me know if you share.